Okay, you're getting supplied one package wrapped in cardboard where all these items are in. Be careful to find these because some pieces are easily thrown away in the packaging. They are inside.
Okay.
Here you got the screws, which you best pre-drill with something less than an 8, like 3/32, so you can get through the formica.
Not the knife?
Both.
No, I don't want to scratch that from like a bag.
Okay,
Very good. Got it.
that was it. Just remove the glue. Peel off the paper.
Oh, it's like, that's sweet. Buttered up tight for the
You're good.
Yeah, exactly.
You're good.
And align it well with the sensor, so it's more or less
centered.
centered. Exactly.
Got it.
Be sure
Okay.
to make it vertical and has a high tap.
Okay.
So be sure to get it right.
There's a small stainless steel hinge or clip, and it pushes in towards the unit to release.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Good. So there's no measurements. It's all
There's no
visual.
measurements.
We can eye it up and get it pretty darn close. So
Go 2 inches. At least 2 inches from the corner. Yeah, 2 inches from the corner, and it's also
yeah, just snug it up. Just snug it. You got to remember, just not to put too much pressure on when you're drilling, because it'll be real easy to go straight. Let's do these two simultaneously. I'll keep mine from latching in. Get yours.
I'm not sure exactly what's going on. Yeah, I know we had run out and
Yeah.
they were reproducing different.
Not really. Is it?
Right here that will adjust the pressure level in the hinge.
This bottom screw.
Okay.
And just screw up clockwise.
Clockwise. The plan is to get it to raise up by itself when you touch it. You really have to get it going.
Okay, there it is.
Okay.
for some reason the lid is not 100% aligned with the doors.
Okay.
So we're going to adjust that. So that is something very important for the installation.
I'm going to need my
Okay.
drill. Okay, we're going to turn these screws counterclockwise
Counterclockwise. He's good. I'm over his head.
and just loosen them a little
I
bit.
almost sent it for like a video about 5 times today.
And then
Yeah, you can have it aligned, you can have the flap aligned with the doors.
and the goal
Yes.
was that vertical line between the
Yes.
Davidoff sign.
No, to have the flap and the doors aligned.
Oh, okay.
The outer edges have to be aligned.
Okay.
Okay.